Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So, TensorFlow is a powerful open source deep learning library created by Google. It is used to build neural networks, image recognition models, NLP models, deep learning pipelines. So, TensorFlow makes it easy to train machine learning models on CPU, GPU, or even TPU. So let's understand this with some simple and basic examples. So the first one is create a constant tensor. So for this we'll import TensorFlow. So here we have created a simple and constant tensor, and tf.constant methods creates a fixed tensor which is similar to NumPy array. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the second one. So the second one is simple addition using tensor. So for this also we'll import the library. And now here, so firstly we'll define A. So TensorFlow supports automatically math operations on tensors. So let's see the output. So here we can see the output of this. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is basic neural network layer. So let's import TensorFlow. So here this creates a dense, means fully connected layer with 3 neurons. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output of basic neural network layer. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is build a simple sequential model. So here we have imported the library and now we'll create the model. So here sequential model is always equal to stack layers in order. So let's see the output of this. So here you can see the output of a simple sequential model. Now moving on to the next one is generate a random tensor. So this is how we create 2 into 3 tensor with random values between 0 and 1. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output. So now the next one is convert NumPy array to tensor. So let's import TensorFlow. So here tf.convert to tensor converts NumPy array to TensorFlow tensors, which is very common in deep learning workflows. So let's see its output. So here we can see the output of this. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is using TensorFlow for matrix multiplication. So here we have imported the library. So here we have created one constant and now we'll create another constant. And here we'll see the matrix multiplication result. So now let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output of matrix multiplication result. So these were some of the example how to understand TensorFlow, which is very important for deep learning framework. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.